Okay, okay. Let's go. 26. Okay.
C'est pas un peu là. Nasıl
Guys, welcome to CN Tower. We're now going all the way up to the main observation level, only 58 seconds, which is 114 building stories. Now you will see the north side view of Toronto. They could. Oui.
Mhm. Ouais. Tabarnak! C'est immense ce site-là! Oh my god!
Aïe aïe.
Wow!
Oh my gosh, c'est
T'es correct, ma fille?
Okay.
Alright guys,
Okay.
on your left.
Thank you so much.
How many stories?
114.
114 in 58.